beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this mouth-watering banga soup recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So this is one of the ingredients I'm going to be using and it's called okpe. So this is a local spice. I'm going to blend this with my crayfish. Next, I have my palmnut extract, so I'm going to cook this till it reduces. So I'll go ahead to cover and cook for a few minutes, and this is after a few minutes. Next, I'll be adding in my stockfish, onion, blended crayfish, and the okpe I showed you earlier. Okay, I'm going to stir everything together to combine nicely, and this we are building up the flavor and the base of the soup. Next, I'll be adding in my blended peppers. I'm using fresh pepper for this. Please feel free to use any pepper of choice. Next, I'll be adding in seasoning powder, and this is different seasoning powder coming together. This is my fermented locust beans powder. I found this so helpful, so I'm going to add it to it. Next is my banga spice. So this spice, you can get it from the market. All you need to do is to ask them and they're going to give it to you. So this is different herbs blended together to make up this banga spice. So this is going to give your soup the banga taste. Okay, so I'm going to stir everything together to combine nicely. Next, I'll be adding in my goat meat. You can use any protein of choice. So this is my cooked goat meat. I'll go ahead to add the goat meat to my soup, and I'm going to stir everything together to combine nicely. Thank you, beautiful people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here will make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. Please give this video a thumbs up and also share to your families and friends. So we'll go ahead to cook this for a few minutes. So this is the vegetable I'll be using. So I'll be using pumpkin. So I'll go ahead to wash it and cut it into the size. Next, I'll be using scent leaf, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'll wash it properly, cut it into this size. I'll set it aside, and we'll move over to our soup. I'm going to check my soup, and the soup is doing so well. The color of the soup is amazing. So I'm going to stir everything to move things around a bit. Next, I'll be adding in my vegetable. So I'm going to be using two vegetables as I showed earlier. The combination of these two vegetables gave this soup a good taste. I'm going to stir everything together nicely, and I'm going to cook this for a few minutes. This banga soup turned out so well. The taste was amazing. Adjust your seasoning, your salt, your pepper, adjust everything and try this recipe if you've not tried it before, and you will definitely love it. And after a few minutes, voila, the soup is ready. You can pair this soup with rice, beans, yam, whatever, and the result was mouth-watering. Try this recipe and I will see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.